Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today, as promised, I'm going to be unboxing my Kiss nail haul. I have some holiday nails in here, and I also have my fall nails that I'm going to be putting on today. The light brown cow design, and I'm excited to see how they look. And I realized I wore my shirt with my sort of cow print, but I didn't plan it until I realized what I had done. So anyway, it's kind of cool. But yeah, let's see what's in here. All right, so here are the holiday nails. Let me put my glasses on so I can actually see these. Ooh, yeah, I love them. Let's get them out of the package here. I know it's gonna be a while before I put these on, but you know, these nails, they sell out of the holiday editions. You can probably find them in your local stores, but I like to try to get them when I see them out there. So these are so pretty. I love the red. It might look more berry on camera, but it's a really nice, pretty red, a deep Christmas red, and bling and candy cane. These are gonna be awesome. Snowflake. And these are beautiful. These have a sort of, I don't know if you can see that, white snowflake, and like sort of a really pretty, that is gorgeous. These will be really pretty for the winter, I think. And then we have some traditional red and green. I like these. I always love the reindeer, but it also has like a little plaid package down the bottom. So these are really, really pretty too. I love these. I can't wait. And the last holiday one, and this is kind of a winter one as well. I can sort of wear these in January, I think, after the first of the year. It's got snowflakes. So yeah, this was a set. This was a set that I bought together off of the Kiss website. So there they are. And I usually will be able to get 2 manicures out of each of these sets. So that will keep me going for the month of December and January, and maybe this one even into February. All right, and I got a free pack. Ooh, I like these. Ooh, I got a free pack. This is something different. Not usually something I would pick up, but they are kind of cute. They have, it's like a pretty light green, almost like a seafoam green, kind of, with a little bit of a zebra print there. So these they threw in for free. I'll take them. I will take them. And the ultimate ones that I'm going to be wearing, and I did buy 2 packs of these because I thought they were so pretty. Now I am going to have to trim these down, I can already tell. But these are the cow nails. I love the ones that just have the tip, and I also love the whole cow. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to do both of them, and then there's like a really, really pretty bling one, which I don't think I will do today. I think I'm just going to do the cow print nails. So yeah, I'm just gonna pick my sizes and put them on. Now I have a bit of a dilemma. I realize I'm out of my super glue, and I had ordered some from Amazon, and I'm surprised I still haven't gotten it yet. I should have gotten it by now, but it hasn't come yet. So I am going to have to use the glue that comes with this. So I'm not too excited about that. I want my super glue, but I want to put these nails on. So I'm just going to use the glue that comes with it and see you know, it'll last, and then my super glue will come in, and if any fall off, I'll just re-glue them on as I go through. But I am gonna definitely trim these down a little bit. I know I can tell already they're gonna be too long. But let's get them on, get the sizes on, and see how they come out.
One of the first things I realized when I opened the package is that these are the pre-glued nails. They don't come with glue, but luckily I had some glue from another pack that I had. But I am just turning them all over so that I can find the ones I want to use, and I just try them on to my fingers just to make sure that they fit. These nails are a little narrow, so my own natural nail does stick out a little bit, and I will end up having to file them down on the sides after I get them all on. But right now, just figuring out which ones I'm going to use. So, like I said, I had some nails glue from another package of nails, and I just like to use some glue even with these press-ons because I think it just makes them stronger, makes the hold stronger, and makes them last longer. So I'm just pressing them down with some good force, and I usually hold them down for a good 15 seconds, and you know, that's my process of how I get the nails on. So I'm just putting like a touch of this glue, and these nails are going on really well. If I can get rid of the little cellophane paper, that's the hardest part of these nails because it's kind of like static. It doesn't want to let go of you. But yeah, I'm just going to get these nails on. And these nails really are going on really, really well. They're going, the pre-glue is helping them to stick right away. So I do like how these nails applied. And like I said, my own natural nail is sticking out of the edge because these are narrow nails. So all I'm doing is filing my own natural nail down so you can't see it. And that was, you know, that was easy enough. I just took my file and just went up against the nail, and I was able to get them looking good. So here they are at the length, and I think that they look beautiful, but the length is just a little too long for me. I won't be able to really do much, so I am going to trim them down, but I don't really trim them too much. I just kind of just take the bit of the tip off, and that is going to be plenty, and they're definitely workable without having to take too much of the length off. I still wanted to keep on the sort of French tip, the cow French tip. I wanted to have enough of the cow print to be able to appreciate it, and it does have a little bit of gold along the edge, and these nails are really, really pretty. I absolutely love them. At the time that I'm doing this video, I have had them on all afternoon, and I really have gotten accustomed to them, and I really, really like them a lot. I think they're really cool, and they're really pretty, and I'm really, really happy with them. But I'm just trimming my thumbs here and getting them to be even, and we'll give them a quick file and show you how they came out. I really love the length, very workable for me. So guys, I have to do a voiceover on this because I have some people at my house replacing some exterior trim, and Joey is just barking and they are banging, so there was no way I could finish this video. But look how pretty they are. I absolutely love them. I think that they came out amazing, and I'm going to really enjoy these nails. So if you have liked this video, I hope that you'll give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, I hope that you will consider subscribing and coming on back. But I really love these cow nails. These are the imPRESS nails, and I got them off the Kiss website. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.